So, good morning everyone, especially for you, Ma'am Aisa Sirodo. So, I am Kim Nicole Santiago, grade 11 students in Araceli Vista National School. So, today I will discuss is all about the psychosexual in 5 stages. Psychosexual development of the personality. Psychosexual individual derives pleasure from different parts of the body, different stage of growth, pleasure in human body. How the mind relates the body and the pleasure derived from the activities of the body. Libido, natural mental energy that operates the mechanism of the mind. Psychosexual, ito ay nagsasaad na kapag ang isang tao ang nasa ng isa pang tao ang pagkakaroon ng abnormal na interaction sa utak dahil sa pagkakaroon ng high dopamine o mataas na pagbibigay ng dopamine sa utak. So the first stage of psychosexual is oral stage. Birth to 18 months, child is totally dependent on others to provide for his needs. Pleasure is derived from the use of mouth, sucking, chewing, biting. Personality development dependence. Oral stage, sa yugtong ito, ang bata ay lubos na umaasa sa pagbubuo ng personalidad sa paggamit ng bibig. So, the second stage is anal stage, 18 months to 3 years, toilet training years. Personality develop, independent self-control, and sense of accomplishment. Anal stage, ang bata ay natututo na mag-toilet training na nagdudulot ng pagsimula ng kanyang kalayaan. So, the third stage is phallic stage, 3 to 6 years old. Child develops attraction to their parents of the opposite sex, Oedipus complex or Electra complex. So, phallic stage, nagkakaroon ang bata ng attraction sa magulang. So, the fourth stage is 6 to 12 years old. Personality development, develop skills associated with social skill and social interaction. The latency stage is the fourth stage of psychological development, spanning 6 years puberty. So the fifth stage is the initial stage, 12 years onward, personality development, sexual maturity. So this is genital 12, a final stage of development. The genital stage begins with the onset. So that's for all. Thank you.